You have professors here and faculty here that truly invested in your students. And I think that's possible because of the class size. It's not like I'm a number. So that was ultimately made me choose the University of Georgia.
I knew I would get individualized attention from my professors and be able to build a strong network with my classmates.
I came to the University of Georgia because this was the place where I felt I could not only learn about leadership, but actually put leadership into practice.
I'm still an entrepreneur through and through, but there's nothing wrong with putting it on pause. Learning from the best I don't think ever hurts you, and I find so many of those best individuals here at Georgia.
As an international student, Terry College of Business MBA program makes us join the MBA program a little bit ahead of the domestic students. And that's because they really are invested in us. They want us to excel in life, and they know that we are new to this culture.
It was really important that I was with people that had similar values, ambition, and at the end of the day, people I could laugh with and enjoy the experience.
If you're passionate about something here at Terry, they're going to support you in that. And that's something unique to being at a small, concentrated program that you're not going to get other places.
If you have a goal coming into your full-time MBA program, let the CMC staff know, let your professors know. They were able to give me the exact support and guidance I needed, and the confidence and the skills to be able to go into my interviews for my internship and for my job and be confident and just go in and crush it.
Go Dogs!